My name is Mark Crumey. I'm the head of marketing for Eibach North America. Today, we're here installing a set of prototype Pro Kit springs on the new Mark V Supra. When we got our hands on the new Mark V Supra, we were really excited to see what Toyota had done as far as handling dynamics goes. The vehicle felt great in the turns, but for performance, we felt like it needed a little more stability. So our design for our Pro Kit spring is about a 20% increase in rate and a 1.7-inch drop in the front and 1.2-inch drop in the rear. But what you get out of that is more performance, faster turn-in, less nosedive, better stability in the turns, and just an all-around better handling car. What's nice about the Mark V Supra is that it seems like a pretty familiar platform for a lot of people, including BMW owners. So what's nice about it is that you have a strut system in the front and then a divorced spring and shock in the rear. So the rear is a very quick install on our Pro Kit, and the front, all you need is a spring compressor to get the original spring off and the new spring back on, and then all you have to do is align it. Everyone knows this is essentially a BMW Z4 chassis, but we wanted to do things different. We wanted to make sure that we got the vehicle in, take it apart, get the driving dynamics, see what Toyota did during the development process, and work around that, because that's really ultimately what we're driving here. Toyota took time to develop this product in the way that they want to do it, so that's why we brought the car in. We're a little behind on the process, but that's the reason. We didn't just want to throw something at it. We took it apart, we measured the rates, we measured the dampers, we took all the time to really do this the right way for the Supra Mark V owners. Not only do we do road testing and some track testing, we also reach out to race teams or drivers who have already driven on the chassis and on the platform and have a better understanding of what's gone into the car and really taken it to the limit. And we take that information, we bring it back, we balance it against what we found, and then try and come up with the solution that works very well for street performance. One of the important things for Eibach is to make sure that we have a good balance of performance and ride quality. Right now, we're testing the prototype Pro Kit. We're looking at ways to make it even lower with a sport line or maybe even a height adjustable sleeve system. We also have stabilizer bars in prototype right now, so those will go on this car next. And then we're looking at adjustable camber arms as well. As we progress on development of new products for the new Mark V Supra, head to eibach.com. You'll be able to sign up for our newsletter and get any type of new notifications. And we also have news on there as well, so you'll be able to see anything new coming down the line. Also check out @Eibach_world. Instagram is the place to be these days, and Facebook we also have information on as well. Also be sure to like and subscribe to Supra MK5 for more YouTube videos.